Well, hello everybody, welcome to another devlog video. So before I show you this new repair tool, just a massive thanks you guys for the people that that choose to support the game, to back the game. That's really fantastic. I already start to have a lot of bug report, which is really good. So next update will be a big bug fix. But yeah, so the topic is the new repair update. So it was quite a technical one, but really necessary to have nice combat and survival, let's say. So I'm gonna show you that, but first I need to destroy a few blocks. So yeah, we can jump into our little mech. Okay, so I will try again. And so as you can see, we are destroying quite a few blocks like that. And so first you saw there is the apparent damage, which is something new, and I had to really update the data structure of the save model of the blueprint, so that it actually saves. So if you save right now, it will be restored like that. But really the cool thing is that I do a difference in code between no block at all and a destroyed block. Okay, so that means that if you equip that nice repair tool, that is very temporary, sorry, I will definitely add a true mesh and so on, but you can equip that new repair tool and start to really spray like a paint your damage block to really repair the ship, which is really what I wanted. So you can really go into combat and have basically your ship totally destroyed, but yeah, you can just repair everything after that. So it's really nice. And if your ship is like too destroyed, or is it too long and so on, you will be able to really repair your ship in space station and or with drone or stuff like that. So we'll see, but first, yeah, let me show you some maybe more radical damage. So we are gonna put a nice rocket launcher on our mech like that. Okay, and so I need a hotkey, so let me drag that one, and sorry, I'm just already starting to destroy. So let's link the hotkey and link to the mech, and we are gonna activate with fire secondary like that. And now we can enter in your nice mech and shoot some rockets into our poor little Orion shuttle, and I can shoot sorry, Gali on the Banshee. And yeah, so definitely missing some explosion effect and things like that, but it's gonna come, so no problem. And so yeah, you can see the destroy block, so you can really get a nice preview of where there is supposed to be a block, and then yeah, you paint everything. So quite a big update. So something might not be working. So typically I didn't work yet on the freeform block because it's gonna be a bit different. Obviously the freeform won't be deleted. It will just be cosmetic, like it will turn black and dirty. That's it. And also one nice thing is that when you repair, or even when you destroy stuff, you don't need to repair each brick separately like that. You just it will repair the whole voxel at once. So yeah, it's gonna be way more way faster to repair some place with a lot of brick and so on. So that's a nice thing. Okay, so that's really the new thing. And the second thing, also quite important, is that really to accommodate all those change, I also changed the way blueprint are working into the game. So typically before, yeah, the blueprint folder, I mean the player entity folder for the people that are used to create blueprints, was also the folder of the save. Now you don't really need to care about that player entity folder. It's really where I save the state of the game. But I created a new folder, so when you export your ship like that, so you can export your blueprint and change the name. And then when you want to spawn a new one. So as you can see, you can no longer replace the entity because it was not making much sense, but I've added a new blueprint block like that, like this one, and you spawn it, and then you have access to a list of blueprints. So the folder is a blueprint, so it is not cluttered with a lot of instances of all your ship, so it's really only when you want to try out different ship from other people. And then yeah, you can really load your ship from that. So it changed a little bit. It's way more logic. I mean, it's really the way it's supposed to be. And also I did a nice little filter if you want. If you have too many blueprints like me, that will be quite convenient. So that's it, guys. So as I said, next update is gonna be a bug fix because I have a lot of stuff to fix, and then I will work on a better weapon and balance basically all the system and HP and so on. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one.